If your video is not capturing people's attention online, it's because you're not using this powerful tool called motion graphics. Now, if you've been scrolling through YouTube or Instagram, you've probably seen those videos where the text moves smoothly, the chat sliding, graphics will pop up all in sync with what the person is saying at the moment. That is called motion graphics, and it's one of the easiest ways to grab attention with your video and make your videos look professional. Motion graphics will help you explain your ideas clearly, grab people's attention, make your content look more engaging, and even if you don't want to show your face, it helps you to create quality content online and still make money on social media. But the problem is this thing is not easy to make. It takes a lot of time and most people don't know where to start. That is why motion graphic designers or motion editors who use motion graphics a lot, video editors I mean, they charge a whole lot because it's not easy. You have to generate these graphics from scratch, know when to attach them, know the ones that relate to the video you're editing, and also make sure that the video syncs with the graphics. So now the difficult part is sourcing for these things and getting them for free. And in this video, I'm going to be solving it for you. I'm going to be showing you two different tools that are powerful and free that you can use to make motion graphics super simple and easy, even if you are not a designer or a video editor. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you how you can access these tools and how you can get started using them even if you have no video editing experience. So all you have to do right now is to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and comment motion graphics. Then let's get straight into the practical. The first one is Hera AI. So this tool lets you create motion graphics just by typing what you want. No need for After Effects or any complicated keyframes. Here's how to use it. So go to your browser and type hera.ai. Then create an account, explain why you want to use Hera, and then you see an open box that tells you what do you want to do, like what animation do you want to create, and then you can now type exactly what you want. For example, you can say create a 5-second YouTube subscribe button, or a 5-second animation that shows the importance of Instagram, or show money popping out from something. Just explain exactly what you want, click on enter, and in a few minutes Hera is going to send you exactly what you have asked for. You can also adjust the font, the colors, anything to match your style. Hera also has a wide range of templates, already done templates that you can just edit and use immediately. Honestly, it's that easy. Hera has both free and paid plans. The paid plan starts from around $30 per month, and it's perfect for faceless YouTube videos, explainer videos, and social media content. I'll also be putting the link in the description so you can check it out right there and get started using it for free. The next one is Canva. Now, most of you already use Canva for designing flyers, thumbnails, but you don't know that Canva actually has powerful AI motion features. Yes, Canva has something called Canva AI that does automatic designs for you, videos and images. Today, we're going to be using it specifically to create AI motion graphics. Here's exactly how you can use it. So open Canva on your desktop, preferably scroll to the left and look for Canva AI. Now choose your canvas size, like depending on what you're creating. If it's like for reels or shorts, you know that you need 1080 by 1920. So you know the canvas for YouTube and all of that. So pick your template and start creating. Like you can choose from all the templates of animations that they have, or you can just go to the search or the text box and type exactly what you want. So I'm going to ask Canva AI right now to give me something that explains figuratively the concept of thinking out of the box. So I want to literally explain thinking out of the box. Like there's a box and there's a lady sitting outside it and thinking. I know that's not what it means, but that's just what I want to create. Maybe it relates to the video that I am doing. So once I click on enter, it's going to process and it's going to create it for me. Now, this particularly works majorly on Canva Pro. You can still do it on the free version, but you're limited. You can do maybe just one or two in a whole month. But if you want unlimited access, you need to subscribe to the Pro. And the Pro is actually affordable, around 2,800 naira per month, right? So you should subscribe, because if you want your videos to stand out, you need to start using motion graphics. So you can use Hera AI when you want fast automatic animations, and then you can use Canva when you want to customize and control every single part of your animation. Both of them are simple, beginner friendly, and can make your content look like you hired a professional editor. So if you want me to do a live demo showing you more things you can do with these AI tools, just comment motion graphics. And this is the time to please click on the share button, tell somebody about this channel, tell somebody about this video, post on your WhatsApp status, tools, let somebody find out about this video from you, and I will be so grateful to you. All right, let me know if you have questions. Ask me in the comment section. If you have comments, suggestions, any other AI tool you want me to try out, also let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.